This recipe is tangy and sweet. We're using fruit in a savory dish. It's simply delicious.
Sweet and sour tomato with pineapple. Tasty and appetizing. Learn this recipe, and you'll be all set to make sweet and sour fish anytime. If you love easy recipes, be sure to follow me. Don't scroll away or you might miss out later. The ingredients are just pineapple and tomato, super simple, right? Cut the tomatoes into small pieces and set aside. Cut the pineapple into small pieces and set aside. Once all the ingredients are ready, heat the pan, add cold oil, and stir in a teaspoon of salt. Then add the tomatoes and cook until they release their rich red oil. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon each of salt, and sugar for seasoning. Add mushroom powder according to your preference. Feel free to skip it if it's not to your liking. Pour in 1 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Add a bit of dark vinegar to enhance the tangy flavor and some dark soy sauce to give the sauce a richer color. Once you're satisfied with the taste, add the pineapple and simmer briefly before serving. Add the pineapple and simmer for just 1 to 2 minutes. Overcooking can make it mushy and reduce its refreshing tartness. It's ready once the pineapple is heated through and slightly tender. All done. Told you it was super simple and delicious. Just transfer it to a plate, and it's ready to enjoy. Sweet and sour tomato with pineapple, a refreshing and appetizing dish. Quick and simple to make, its bright flavor is never cloying. A delightful surprise for any everyday meal. For sweet and sour fish, you can also add cucumber, bell peppers, or even shredded carrots when stir-frying. Tomato stir-fried with pineapple offers a rich interplay of textures. The tomatoes are tender and juicy, while the pineapple brings a sweet tart crispness. Coated in a savory sour sauce, each bite balances tanginess and sweetness with distinct layers of flavor. Enjoy it warm as a comforting side or chilled for a refreshing bite. This simple, fruity savory dish is a delightful surprise for any home-cooked meal. Tomato and pineapple stir-fry is rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, aiding digestion. The combination of lycopene from tomatoes and bromelain from pineapple provides antioxidant benefits and supports metabolism. Light, low in fat, and naturally sweet tangy, it makes a refreshing appetizer or side dish. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and manganese, which help combat oxidation and promote collagen synthesis, contributing to skin elasticity and radiance. The bromelain it contains aids digestion and may reduce swelling, supporting metabolic balance. With its dietary fiber content, it also promotes good health, though those with sensitive or cooler constitutions are advised to enjoy it in moderation. The bromelain in pineapple aids digestion and can relieve post-meal bloating, while its rich vitamin C and manganese content support bone health and immunity. The natural sweet tangy flavor helps stimulate appetite, and the vitamin C and dietary fiber contribute to growth and healthy digestion, though it should be consumed in moderation to avoid stomach sensitivity. Low in fat and easy to digest, pineapple adds a fruity touch to dishes and diversifies the diet. It is recommended to cut it into small pieces and cook it thoroughly for safe and optimal nutrient absorption. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.